여기 그늘이라서 계속 놓치더라고.
Nangayo na sa sponsor. Oh, there's a grapes. Oh, there's a grapes.
Sweet corn. How about you? What do you want? Okay.
What's this? What this?
Yes, you choose now. You choose there. What do you want? You choose.
Yes, this.
What you want there?
What do you want? Or corn?
Thai. Saan eh?
Hindi na nakalisod ako. What do you want? Asa man
Ini
Elias?
boy, which one man?
You
Wait,
choose.
mami na ni mami. Mami hold.
Oh, you get some mami.
Oh, you choose.
You choose.
Dali, adi yun. Taro?
Oh, you chose Imo Harley. What do you want? What do you want, Harley? Say mo. Milo. Ah, Milo. Magkano siyang Milo, no? Ah, Milo. Say mo, kani mo. Oh, go you tell. Pink strawberry.
Pink strawberry. Pink strawberry. And chocolate. This one. Milo Coco.
Say.
Milo Coco.
Ay, gani, gani.
I want more gray.
You tell. You say it again.
I want more gray. Pink strawberry.
Asa magurang grapes na to ron?
I want gray. Medium. I want more gray.
Oh, later na, later.
And I like this one and this one, this one, this one, and this one. Like that. Please.
That's a lot.
I want it.
Hmm.
I like it. I want to eat it. Please, mommy.
Okay.
Wait. This.
Siya yung
I
hungry
want to tell you
bitaw.
if it's red.
Mm.
I want more.
You want more? You want to go to school? Are you excited?
You want to go to school?
Yeah, I want to go and eat.
What?
I want to eat grapes.
Then-
I want more. I want more.
Then you want to go to school?
I want more straw. I want more.
Tamis daw kayo? Ang ganahan siya?
More grapes.
It's sweet, right?
Get if you want. Get for him. Get for him.
Mm-mm.
For baby Elias.
Bibi din na sa Elias.
Elias! Elias. Ito.
Ayun ra. Kana ra ka, Bibi Elias.
More?
Ang binin lang ka. Nag-grapes pa, nag-chocolate pa. Naghanap po ana, oy.
Charo dili pa
Mm.
hyper.
I think so. More grapes.
Ano na, enough na. Enough na. You already have a lot.